Okay, this module going to show you how to use transfer module in the AutoTrack asset tracking software in order for you to transfer asset from location A to location B. Okay, before we start to transfer, we need to check or we need to know where is the location of that particular item at that particular moment. For example, the Canon printer come with the TCP/IP interface. We click the asset number. Okay, we'll be able to see this so-called asset is actually located at 90004 or Washington, which is Washington setup. Okay, now we want to transfer it from Washington setup to another location. Let's say Washington Olympia. Okay, because new branch opening. You can put anything on the package number. So, just select the Canon printer. Okay, it's added, ready for transfer. Okay, so you actually can go into the item code directory center. Here is 525006. When it's added into this table, this means it's ready to be transferred. Then what you need to do is just click the save button. That's it. The transfer finished. So now we go back to look at this same item again. You can see the item is being transferred to Olympia. That's it. The transfer done.